Hello everyone, this is Sandra, and today you will learn how to execute JavaScript with us, and by the end of this video you will be able to incorporate the script into JavaScript trigger in articulate storyline. This will allow you learners to type any information, and then at the end they can save it or print it. This activity is pretty useful if you want to include a reflective journal in your learning experience. I totally recommend it. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. First, you can create a new slide or open an existing one where you want to add this feature. In my case, I have already created this slide beforehand. Second, I will recommend you to add a text box where the users or where your learners can type their entries. Here, if you go up here under input, you're going to be able to find something that is called data entry, and then you can customize it. In this specific case, I want to remove the color. I want to make the font a little bit bigger, and that's what I want to do. Afterwards, you can create a button. In this case, I have this printing button, and then we will add the trigger. In this specific case, I want to use this one. I have the JavaScript. This is the one that I added. I'm going to share with you one script or one Java information that I want you to add here. The same one that I am adding here, you will find it in the description of this video. Then you can click OK, and that's it. It works. The next thing that you can do is test it. However, if you click on preview, you will notice that this specific feature does not work while previewing. So what I do recommend you is to publish it, because in the preview mode it doesn't work. So you can just publish it whatever you want, and then you will see it will work. Testing, load, and then I look at this. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. I hope this tutorial helps you. It's very easy, but if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and well, enjoy. Happy learning.